We opened up a new Islamic center. It's called Faizane Islam. It's an area just outside Pretoria called Danville. And some white, people, they came up to me. They said, no, you guys greet. I want to know what is your greeting, this greeting. So I started to explain him, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And then he says, okay, what should be the reply? Then I explained him, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. He was amazed, he shocked. He said, I thought it just means like hi and bye. He thought, just, that's why people also, they also want to hear, because they always hear Muslims talking to each other.
Yeah.
When we go to the shops, we meet Muslims, then sometimes they're not Muslims, they are standing there. And they're wondering that what these guys are saying so beautifully. Because we say hi and bye, and these guys are saying assalamu alaikum.
Short form, even my OMG, everything hi, bye. Yes. Very fast. So
very short.
Very short. Everything going short. Assalamu alaikum. The more big salam you make, you take more reward. MashaAllah.
There is a beautiful narration on that statement of Haji Abdul Habib Sab. Our blessed Aqqa sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they stated that Ja'a rajulun ila an-nabiy sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that a person came to the blessed court of our Aqqa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. فقال السلام عليكم فرد عليه ثم جلس فقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم عشر. It is stated that a person comes and he sits in the court of our Aqqa sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he says assalamu alaikum, and our Aqqa replies and says wa alaikum salam, and he says ashrun, he says for him is 10. And in a short while another person enters, and when this person enters he says assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi. He adds to the greeting, and our blessed Aqqa replies to the salam and he says lahu ishrun, for him is 20. In a little while another person enters the same gathering and he says assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. He adds, and our blessed Aqqa replies and says that for him is 30. And the Sahaba Ikram were amazed, and they said, Ya Nabi Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the first person greeted you, you said for him is 10. When the second person greeted you, you said for him is 20. When a third person greeted you, you said for him is 30. What is the meaning of this? Our blessed Aqqa says that for the first person, when he greeted me, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him 10 thawab, 10 rewards. When the second person greeted me and added to the salam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him 20 reward. When the third person greeted me, added to that, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him 30 rewards for the salam. So subhanallah, a simple act, dear listeners and viewers of Madani Channel, a simple act of greeting. Only these few words, subhanallah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us so much of blessings and rewards.